Sir,
coach.
they got converted into matter.
No. They got buried, and after due to high pressure and high temperature, this is the important terms. High temperature and high pressure. I told you, मैंने बताया था एक क्वेश्चन कि बोन्स डिकम्पोज नहीं होती है, लेकिन बोन्स डेड ऑर्गेनिज्म से नहीं, बोन्स हाई प्रेशर एंड हाई टेम्परेचर से डिकम्पोज होते हैं. Then it became fossil fuels. Then it is available in different forms. ये पता है आपको?
Yes, sir.
Coal
Yes,
is a
sir.
fossil fuel. Coal is a fossil fuel which is formed by the decay of vegetation.
Sir, and coke is obtained by the purification of petroleum.
Yeah. Yes. Perfect. Now, coal आपने कहाँ देखे है पता है आपको?
Coal mines.
Sir,
Coal
coal mines.
अगर कोल माइन से मुझे कोल निकालना है तो क्या करना पड़ता है पता है? Do you know what
सर
we
वो
need to do?
गड्ढा खोदना पड़ता है.
सर पिकैक्स से सर तोड़ना पड़ता है.
Okay.
Yes,
Any other
sir.
that? Good. और कुछ?
Sir, blast.
Very good. He said an important point. Without blasting process नहीं होती है. Very good, beta. Who said it? Good. Perfect point. Now, कोल का एक पार्ट है कोक. हम लोग कोल पता है आपको पुराने जमाने में कोल has been used in railways for what?
Sir, for running steam engines.
In the train.
To run the engine.
Very good. Correct. मेरा एक
Sir,
सवाल
to
है.
run the steam engine.
मेरा एक सवाल है. सुनो क्वेश्चन तो सुनो. गर्ल्स के लिए, सिर्फ गर्ल्स के लिए. जब कोल पे रेलवे चल सकती थी तो कोयले पे गाड़ियां क्यों नहीं चलती है? Scooters, Activas, two-wheelers, four-wheelers, like that. For girls, it is only for girls, huh?
Sir, because coal
What?
is steam by
Very
the
good.
steam process.
Okay.
By the steam, we run the train, not on road.
Okay. I want answer from Aliza. Aliza and one more goal. I want answer from Vaibhavi. Please answer me.
Sir, can I answer?
No, Dhruvika. Just wait, beta. Everyone should get the chance. You already answered. Sanchita, Vidya. Anyone? Any of the girl?
Sir, it's a tedious job.
What you said?
It is not possible.
Yeah, it's not possible. Beta, why? Reason क्या है उसके पीछे? Reason क्या होना चाहिए ना? अच्छा मुझे एक बात बताओ, क्या आप ग्रास खा सकते हो क्या? ग्रास?
Sir, it's too time consuming.
No, it's not too time consuming.
Sir, can I tell, sir?
No.
Sir,
Yes,
from
sir.
boys side, sir. Ibrahim.
नहीं बेटा फिर नहीं. राजेश्री?
Sir, because coal is not easily available.
No, it's available easily. But
Sir,
It's very unpractical.
why beta? Why?
Sir, and it causes a lot of pollution.
Yeah, it's got a lot of pollution. Oh, I agreed on that, but another point.
If any individual person is driving a car, so it will be not very easy
Sir, and it's much
to
difficult to
Sir,
do the
it is-
processing of
sir-
coal.
Sir,
Won't be able
Turn
to
it
sir,
into
it
generate
requires,
power
sir,
for
a
a
lot
long
of
time.
space
coal is
and-
exhaustible
Okay,
and it
wait.
takes lots of time. And if
Sir,
an
we also
individual is driving the car, he
Yes,
cannot
yes.
focus on the
Sir, we
road
also
and accident
modified.
will happen.
Yeah, just
Sir.
wait. Just wait, Ibrahim. Just wait. एक साथ मत बोलो ना. Just wait. Yeah, Aliza, I want
So
to
can
hear
I?
your answer. No, Aliza.
Yeah, it won't be able to generate power for a long time.
No, sir. Again.
अच्छा wait. Anay.
Yes, sir. Sir, it would be difficult for an individual if an individual is driving a car or vehicle, so he cannot focus on the roads and accident will cause.
Okay. Any other than that, Anshika?
Sir, it will.
Sir,
Anshika.
the engine for a one vehicle. And
Saransh. Related to that,
Sir, can I
Saransh.
try?
Sir, can I answer
Wait.
from girls' side?
Wait. Who is that?
Sir,
Rajeshri?
Dhruvika.
Yes, sir.
Sir, Dhruvika.
Yes, Dhruvika.
Sir, actually, as steam engines used in train, they were actually having a big cabinet for that, for doing that steam engines one. to putting the coal and running the train, but in vehicles, as we don't have to make, we can't make that big cabinets for that and make a small chimney kind of thing to pass out the smoke. It would be like
Sir.
a big
No,
car,
they can
and
say,
as
just
we
wait, just
Sir.
wait.
modified, we
Sir,
switch
it
me, sir.
requires
petrol.
a lot of
Sir,
space.
it's not
Sir,
possible for
steam
every
engines
engine
are
to
not
do the
very good
processing
as
of.
like combustion.
Okay, just wait, just wait. Listen to my answer. Perfect. Listen to my answer. Yeah, Ayush.
Sir, can I? Sir, because coal can't pump through pipes, we have to take shovel, which is
Okay.
very difficult.
Good. Very good. Yeah, Mahi, Brunali,
Sir,
yeah, wait. Brunali.
Yes, sir.
बेटा आपका आंसर नहीं आ रहा है. आप फर्स्ट डे बहुत क्वेश्चन पूछे, सेकंड डे से पूछे ही नहीं. बताओ आंसर बताओ. टेल मी द आंसर.
सर पहली बात तो साइज मैटर करता है, स्पेस मैटर करती है. अगर हम स्पेस का सोल्यूशन निकालते हैं जैसे कि बस, तो उसमें भी आता है फ्रिक्शन मैटर करता है, सरफेस मैटर करती है. So which is not possible actually.
Okay. Good. Related to that. Now listen me carefully. Can you consume grass? आप लोग ग्रास खा सकते हो क्या? हाँ या ना?
Sir, definitely
No,
not.
It contains
Sir,
cellulose.
definitely.
No, sir.
That,
It contains cellulose.
Yeah, wait.
yes, sir, it
Okay.
contains cellulose, sir.
उसका रीजन क्या है? उसका रीजन क्या है? हमारे बॉडी में वो एंजाइम नहीं है. हमारे बॉडी में वो ऐसा एंजाइम नहीं है जो उसको क्या करे? ब्रेक डाउन कर
सेलुलोज को डाइजेस्ट कर सके.
Similarly,
Digest कर सकते.
our scientists tried to make a engine in the vehicles like 2-wheelers or 4-wheelers जिसमें वो कोल को ब्रेक डाउन करने का प्रोसेस कर सके, एंड इट शुड बी अवेलेबल टू द इंजन, एंड तब हम लोग का इंजन काम करना स्टार्ट करता है. बट ये पॉसिबल नहीं है. वन ऑफ द गुड पॉइंट्स यू सेड सर, स्पेस मैटर्स, सेकंड इज वेट, एंड थर्ड वन इज एफिशिएंसी ऑफ इंजन, कि वो कर पाएगा कि नहीं कर पाएगा. दिस आर द थिंग्स.
Sir, and the size. Sir, size.
size. Now,
Sir,
second-
heat as well.
yeah,
Yes, sir.
Coke is a grey, hard and porous fuel. You can see on the screen, and it consists of lots of carbon inside it. And ये कब बनता है? जब आप कोयले को हीट करोगे, मतलब ये कोल को जब आप हीट करते हो तब जाके आपका कोक बनता है. देन एक डिस्टिलेशन प्रोसेस होता है, उसके थ्रू आपका कोक का फॉर्मेशन होता है. दिस इज द पॉइंट.
Sir, coke is the most purest form of carbon, na?
Yeah.
Amorphous carbon.
Yeah. So for your preference, I gave you a definition how is coke formed. आप जब कोयले को बहुत हाई टेम्परेचर पे हीट करते हो, मोर देन 900 डिग्री सेल्सियस, आई थिंक सो 800 डिग्री सेल्सियस फॉर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, then it automatically gets converted into coke. Now you can see the difference between the structures. Properly observe it, because those who want to do the engineering, or those who want to do the mining, or those who want to go for future studies in different fields, अगर ये टॉपिक आता है तो पूछेंगे what is the difference between a coal and coke, क्योंकि दोनों सिमिलर दिखते हैं, लेकिन डिफरेंस क्या है? He is the purest form. Coke is the
Sir,
purest.
I think coal shines when heated, or मतलब गीला जब होता है तब.
जब कोयला गीला
Sir,
होता
coal
है,
fossil
हैवी भी
से
हो जाता
मिलता है और coke पेट्रोलियम
wait.
से.
या वेट हमें whenever the coal we are getting it, अब जब कोयला जब गीला होता है तब हैवी हो जाता है. रिमेंबर, कोक उतना हैवी नहीं हो पाता है. एंड दूसरा सबसे ज्यादा कार्बन परसेंटेज जो है, इट इज प्रेजेंट इन द कोक. रिमेंबर दैट थिंग. इट इज वेरी टफ. कोक इज वेरी टफ. जस्ट वेट. I'm taking this picture down. Okay, now I'll explain you here. See, it is very tough and porous. What do you mean by porous?
It has a number of holes inside it,
Holes.
from where air and water can pass.
Yeah. Now, this is in the case of coke, not in the case of coal. जब ज्यादा होल्स रहेंगे तो वो पानी इतना रिटेन कर पाएगा क्या, या कोई भी चीज का रिटेन कर पाएगा क्या?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir. It will.
अच्छा मुझे बताओ, आप जब रेलवे लाइंस में दे वे यूजिंग कोल, इट वाज मच मोर पोल्यूशन एट दैट टाइम और लेस पोल्यूशन एज कंपेयर्ड टू टुडेस जनरेशन?
Much
Sir, less pollution, sir.
Sir, definitely less pollution.
Much
because
more
the usage is
pollution.
very high.
more pollution. लेकिन आप जब कोक को बर्न करोगे ना, you'll get little bit smoke, or you can say little or no smoke you'll get. That is the main difference between them. and this is a coke is always the purest form of carbon, purest form. And somebody asked you कि coke कहाँ से मिला? See, coal कहाँ से मिला? आपको याद है? Fossil fuel से मिला.
Fossil
If you
से.
remember. ठीक है. Coke को मैंने burn किया at high temperature, so I got the coke. And what is the difference between them? Tough, porous. They are like black substance. Okay, I told you why there are holes. What is the difference between their weights? कौन गीला हो जाता है, कौन गीले के heavy होता है. कोक को बर्न करो तो you'll get little smoke or you'll get no smoke. Any doubt?
Sir,
Sir,
coal is
burn
equals
करने
to
के बाद
more smoke
कार्बन
and
जाता कहाँ है?
sir, coke little.
Yeah. Any doubt? Any more doubt? Before
सर
I
तो
ask you a
कोक को
question.
बर्न करने के बाद
No,
जो
sir.
कार्बन रहता है वो जाता कहाँ है?
वो उसका आई का है, अभी आएगा. थर्मल पावर स्टेशन का I told you to have an inquiry regarding it. आपने किए क्या? अगर आपने किए होगे तो आपको पता चल जाएगा कोक के बाद क्या बनता है. Okay. Now my question is to Vaibhavi. Vaibhavi, why are you not able to answer? Vaibhavi, Jhade, Arya, Shlok, Shubham Singh.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, beta.
Sir, from where we get coke?
After burning coal. हम लोग जब
Okay,
कोयला-
sir.
Sir, burning or heating? Sir,
Heating,
burning
heating.
coal or heating coal?
heating of coal. Heating to a temperature,
Yes,
specific
that's right.
temperature we can say.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Arya, Shubham Singh, Saksham.
Temperature, what is the temperature?
क्या बेटा?
What is the temperature while heating the coal?
I think so. It may be more than 600 to 800 degrees Celsius. I'll just confirm it because they in Google it is giving two specific conditions, because in industries it is different and in some manufacturing countries, manufacturing units it is different. So I'll tell you. Okay. So uses of coke. Can anyone tell me where it is used? You know?
Yes, sir. Sir, it is used to extract. Sir, it is used to extract
The
many
coke is used in
Sir, it
drinks.
is used to extract
The
many
coke is
metals.
used in drinks.
Extraction of
The
metals.
coke is used in drinks.
Yeah. Extraction
The
of
coke
metals.
is used in drinks.
Yeah.
Extraction of metal.
Extraction of metals. In 10th
Sir,
class
drinks.
chemistry. Yeah, wait, Ibrahim. In 10th class chemistry, you will be learning about extraction of metals. You all be having it in detail. So coke is used for the extraction of metal, first point. Second, you know steel?
Yes, sir. Steel is manufactured.
Yes, sir. It
Sir,
is
coke is used
manufactured
to
from coke only.
manufacturing of steel.
It is used in the manufacture of steels. Noted 2 points. Note the 2 points. कोई doubt यहाँ तक? Any doubt till here?
Sir,
Hmm.
metals get extracted by in furnace only, na?
Furnace. Yeah. Furnace only.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
now
sir.
कोल तार. अच्छा मुझे बताओ कितने लोगों ने देखे हैं कि वो रोड बनाते हुए डांबर रोड जो रहता है.
ये सर देखा है.
Sir,
I have
I'm
seen.
so saying.
Yes, sir. Same.
Sir, it is very smelly actually.
Okay,
It's,
I just
it
want
give
to
awful
Anubhav
smell.
Singh, Anubhav and Akshay. Anubhav, Akshay and Ayush. Anubhav, Akshay. Anubhav, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Anubhav, tell me. अगर किसी के बाल सर पे सफेद हो जाए तो क्या लगाते हैं वो लोग?
Sir,
डाई. या वेरी गुड बेटा, डाई लगाते हैं. क्यों लगाते हैं ग्रीष्मा?
sir, because color black हो जाता है.
ब्लैक. ओके, आपने कभी रोड को देखे हो जो ब्लैक रोड डामर रोड रहते हो कैसे बनते पता है आपको?
यस सर. कोल टार.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Coal only.
Coal tar.
From coal.
कोल टार. पक्का आपको पता है उस जो चीज रहती है उसको इतना हीट कर दे ताकि वो एकदम लिक्विड स्टेट में आ जाए.
यस सर.
ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
दिस इज व्हाट ब्लैक थिक लिक्विड. आपके बीच में अगर वो डिफरेंस पूछेगा व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द थ्री, यू नीड टू नो coal and coke are in solid state while coal tar is in liquid state. The first point to be noted. Clear? And
Okay.
coal tar कहाँ से मिलता
Yeah,
है? You get it from coal.
Sir, how coal tar is formed?
Yeah, बेटा.
Sir, how it is extracted from coal?
Yeah, I'll tell you. Wait.
How coal tar?
Yeah.
Sir, how coal tar is formed?
Yeah, I'll tell you. Wait. Just I want some answer, then I'll tell you. I'll explain the topic. How coal tar is obtained. Just I want answer from Anubhav. Anubhav, are you there? Okay, Dhruvika,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
can you tell me any of the uses of coal tar other than this making of
Sir,
roads? And
what? Sir, please pardon.
can you tell me the uses of coal tar?
Sir, popular uses of making roads, and I don't
Sir,
know
can I?
other than that.
Sir, can I?
Yeah.
Ibrahim Ahmed. Sir,
Yeah.
manufacturing of perfumes and explosives.
Sir, it is used for making dyes.
Sir, manufacturing of
Sir, sometimes also used for
Soaps
making
are made.
chemicals, I think.
Sir,
Sir,
Sir, it is used for making hair dyes.
Good, perfect. Ane, yeah, what you said, Ane, good point you said. What you said?
It is used for making hair dyes.
Very good, hair dye. Yeah, very good. Any other than that?
Sir, it is used to
Sir,
Sir, it is used for manufacturing of perfumes and explosives.
Sir, and
Sir,
sir,
medicines
it
also.
is
Sir,
used for
medicines also.
plastic paints.
Okay, we can say like that.
Sir, for medicine.
Sir, naphthalene balls.
Naphthalene balls. Okay, okay.
Sir,
I'm just having,
synthetic dyes.
just wait. I'm just having 5 minutes,
Paint.
so it will be difficult for me to explain this coal tar topic. Okay, till that time I can explain this part. We will finish with this easiest part. Fossil fuels. Did I explain that day?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Slight information about that.
I can I'm having 5 minutes, so I can't explain you coal tar. Otherwise, we need a little bit more time in that. Okay, no issue. Coal tar and coal gas, I'll explain. Tell me one question. Two-wheeler vehicles run on which petroleum product?
Sir,
Sir,
Petrol
petrol.
and diesel.
Petrol. What is the cost of petrol? Tell me.
Sir,
107.
Near about 100
per
rupees.
liter.
100.
Near about
107.
rupees.
Do you know it is available in Arab Gulf countries at the rate of 40 rupees per liter or 35 rupees per liter?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir, because
sir.
desert area is
Sir,
there and
because, sir,
fossil
it
fuels
is
are more there.
Okay. My question is, do you know how petrol is formed? Petroleum is formed. Actually, it is not petrol. It is petroleum, which is consisting of different things in that. Petrol, diesel, paraffin wax, lubricants, oil. Okay. Petroleum consisting of these things. Petroleum gas also. Petrol, diesel, lubricating oil.
Sir, from petroleum. Sir, it is obtained from petroleum.
Same process it happens. Whatever we studied in the fossil fuels, it was related to the earth, means it was related to the surface area. In the case of petroleum, whatever the organisms which were living in the sea, whenever these organisms died, the dead bodies get settled down at the bottom of the sea, and automatically जैसे ही वो लोग मर गए, what happened? उनके ऊपर एक layer by layer sand and clay accumulate होना start हो गया. Due to accumulation for the million of years, I'm saying that, and वहाँ पे absence of air था, and due to high pressure and high temperature, automatically that dead organisms get converted into petroleum and natural gas. They will ask you, how does the formation of petroleum has taken place? So you need to answer
Sir,
about this point.
Sir, this
Yeah.
all occurs
Sir, so
beneath the
how
seabed, no?
how the substance made from a solid state from liquid state?
Beta, see, there is a more amount of liquid. Whenever you go beneath the sea, what do you find? Solid substance or liquid?
Sir, liquid.
Liquid
Sir,
substance.
liquid.
Liquid.
Anything. अच्छा मुझे बताओ, दिन भर स्विमिंग पूल में रहोगे तो आपके बॉडीज में आपके पैर हाथ पैर कैसे हो जाते हैं? Have you seen the
Sir,
Yes, sir.
color of
Sir,
Some lines come in
Lines.
our hands.
lines हो जाते हैं
and sir, the body parts
sir.
turn a bit
Great.
purple color.
क्योंकि हमारा जो water puts pressure on the body. That's automatically due to the pressure they appear in a different shape. My color of the hand will appear in different shape. Now to this only, millions of years I'm putting an object in sea, automatically क्या होगा, जितना भी पानी है उस object के अंदर घुस जाएगा. Automatically what will happen? फिर कुछ वो object solid भी होगा, तो automatically it will get converted into what? Liquid state only.
Liquid.
टाइटेनिक को आपने देखे होंगे, टाइटेनिक शिप वो जमीन के अंदर इतने सालों बाद भी, इफ यू सी, वो पूरा खराब हो चुका है, corroded, it is already rusted, it is rusting process.
Yeah.
ऑलमोस्ट वो इतने सालों में बहुत ज्यादा, मतलब उसके अंदर इतना पानी रह गया था, अभी जब उसको निकाल भी रहे हैं तो सिर्फ रस्टिंग प्रोसेस उसमें दिख रहा है. So that's why we say that अगर कोई ऑर्गेनिज्म बनता भी है तो ऑटोमेटिकली कन्वर्ट इनटू लिक्विड स्टेट ड्यू टू द प्रेशर, हाई टेम्परेचर एंड हाई प्रेशर. Now next point, oil and gas are lighter than water and do not mix with it. So this is the chemistry part. In the next class we'll continue about the topic. We'll learn about coal tar and coal gas, these two topics, and then we'll study about refining of petrol. Yeah, any doubt?
So,
Okay,
how
sir.
do they extract the petroleum and the natural gases?
See, have you seen the oil fields? You know, oil fields are there in. Have you visited Mumbai?
Yes, sir.
No.
Mumbai High.
The
Bombay
Arabian
High.
Sea. In the Arabian Sea, you can see there are oil extracting machines or companies are there. You know ONGC. Have you heard about ONGC, Oil Natural Gas Company?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes,
See,
sir.
जिस तरीके से schools, what the schools do, they take up a product like you, they give you the knowledge, they give you everything to become scientist, to become doctor like this. Similarly, doctors, what they do, if you go, आपको ठीक करके भेजेंगे. पेट्रोल, अगर मुझे फॉसिल फ्यूल्स निकालना है जमीन से, कोल निकालना है तो मुझे एक्सट्रैक्ट करना पड़ता है. सेम, अगर मुझे पेट्रोलियम निकालना है तो देयर इज एक्सट्रैक्टिंग मशीन्स आर देयर, लॉट्स ऑफ मशीन्स, लॉट्स ऑफ रिफाइनरी पेट्रोलिंग मशीन्स आर देयर, जो उसको निकालते हैं इम्प्योरिटीज के फॉर्म में, बाद में प्योर फॉर्म में निकाल के उसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं. दिस इज द प्रोसेस. एनी डाउट बेटा?
No, sir. No, sir.
how
No, many sir.
chapters are coming in periodic?
Just a minute, I'll tell you it. In 8th grade now.
Sir, please send the portion
Eighth
or
grade,
date.
sir.
Sir, please send the portion and date in our group. That
Wait, wait, I'll tell you now only.
8th class group.
Okay, sir. Tell now.
Sir, I think so. Third chapter is coming.
Force and pressure. You need to submit your notes, huh? So it is in the physics, okay?
Sir, I have shared my notes and everything to Snehal ma'am. She checked mine and corrected my mistakes also. Excuse me, sir.
We'll tell you in the next class, okay?
Sir, is it metals and
Okay, sir.
non-metals?
Sir, no problem.
Or maybe synthetic and non-synthetic?
Sir, Pooja ma'am had told that chapter 3 will come.
Okay, she told you, okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I'll tell you in the next class, okay? Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir,
bye.
thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Yes,
If you
sir.
have any
Bye,
doubt,
sir.
you can tell me, okay? You can message me personally.
Bye, sir.
Vaibhavi. Ibrahim,
sir.
beta, is it Vaibhavi? Is it Vaibhavi?
Yes, sir.
Why you're not answering in the class?
Sir, my mic is not working till now.
Okay. Kanishka, Pranjan, Mahi. Otherwise, I need to call you on Sunday. Huh? Anubhav, if you don't answer, I need to call you on Sunday then. Okay, you can leave the class. Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye, beta.
Bye, sir.
Bye, 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 bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, beta. Ibrahim.
Sir,
Yeah, beta, Aman.
sir, before burning of coal, it is not in carbon form.
It is there in the carbon form. Already fossil fuels जो भी रहते हैं उसमें carbon amount already रहता है.
सर आपने ऐसा क्यों बोला कि कोक रहता है, उसके पहले वो नहीं रहता?
हाँ, क्या होता है एक्चुअली उसमें impurities बहुत ज्यादा रहती है जब जमीन से निकालते हैं ना उसे. See, do you which sports you play?
Sir, what?
Any sports you play?
हाँ सर.
कौन सा गेम?
सर सभी.
क्रिकेट खेलते हो?
एथलेटिक्स.
हाँ, एथलेटिक्स.
Yes.
Listen.
No sir, क्रिकेट नहीं.
See, athletics if you play. Now tell me, आप जब एथलेटिक्स खेलते हो तो आपके अंदर टैलेंट था, लेकिन आपको आपके टैलेंट को किसने देखा और किसने गाइड किया? It was a coach. You agree on that point?
Yes sir.
जब मैं कोल जमीन से निकाल रहा हूँ तो उसके अंदर कार्बन है, लेकिन इट वाज देयर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ इम्प्योरिटीज. लेकिन जब उसको मैंने रिफाइनिंग पार्ट में रखा तो ऑटोमेटिकली इट गेट कन्वर्टेड। जब हम लोग कोई भी चीज को तराशेंगे, रिफाइन करेंगे, तो ऑटोमेटिकली विल गेट अ प्योर फॉर्म। दैट्स द रीजन। क्लियर मैम?
Yes, sir.
थैंक यू अथर्व। ओके, बाय बाय, थैंक यू।
Means, sir, coal can pass electricity.
Coal can pass electricity. Coal can be used to produce electricity. कोल से हम लोग इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बना सकते हैं। कैन नॉट यूज टू पास इलेक्ट्रिसिटी।
कार्बन
Coal-
पास होता है, कार्बन से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी।
कार्बन
सर कार्बन से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास होता है।
नहीं बेटा, कार्बन इज एन एलिमेंट, इट इज अ नॉन
Okay,
मेटल
sir.
ना। नॉन मेटल्स नेवर कंडक्ट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। बाय बाय, थैंक यू।
बस।